Think you found a hidden gem in Brise, Toronto? Hold on, let's do a quick reality check. First things first, there's no real evidence of a legit Brise business in Toronto as of April 2026. Sure, you'll find restaurants with that name in Jersey or Brazil, but here in Toronto, nada. So, if you spot a website or ad for Brise Toronto, keep your scam radar on high alert. Watch for these classic red flags. 1. Recent domain registration. Scam sites pop up overnight, often right before ad blitzes. 2. Unrealistic discounts. If they're offering 80% off luxury brands, that's a major red flag. 3. Copied reviews. Spotting the same glowing testimonials on multiple sites? Fake alert. 4. No real local presence. If their address is a random house or a P.O. box, that's sketchy. 5. Vague contact info. Only an email or web form? That's not how legit businesses roll. Bottom line, do your homework before you buy. Stay smart, Toronto.